Today we're at Hollywood Studios. We're going to try 3 different milk flavors from the milk stand at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. We didn't know there was a third flavor. It's pink. It just recently came out this year. So you've got
ever knew of green and blue.
Green, blue, and pink. Should be a good time. Let's go check it out. Now, milk is actually one of my favorite drinks. Star Wars milk is a little different than regular milk. And back in the day, on vacation, we would always come to this location and either we would get the blue and the green. I don't remember which one you liked and which one I liked. Okay, Timber liked green, I liked blue. And then when looking online, it said they recently added pink earlier this year. So we're gonna show that. They're about $9 a piece though, so you're talking $30 for milk here at Hollywood Studios. One thing you can do, you can actually order through the app for mobile pickup, but instead of that, we're just gonna go up, show you the menu, and buy it at the actual counter and not through the app. Looks to be a nice day here at Hollywood Studios. Disney's Hollywood Studios. Definitely seems crowded this evening. Oh yeah. Now obviously the milk stand is located in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, which is all the way in the back. You can either go to the left or to the right, doesn't matter. I think we did a full video of Toy Story and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Even though you can go right or left, I think left actually might be a little closer. But again, if you want to just walk and see kind of the whole park, we like going right. We're gonna make an audible and go left first. And this is where it takes you if you go left. You can see right here, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. They've got Sci-Fi Dine-In right here. We've done multiple reviews at. And then the new construction of the Monsters Inc. land. And then here's the entrance to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It is still pretty unbelievable that as soon as you go through the tunnel, it literally feels like you're in a whole new world. The transition's really amazing. Just keep heading straight, you'll run into the milk stand. I mean, eventually you'll have to turn like left up here, but. Also a beautiful land at nighttime. Hollywood Studios is actually one of the better parks to be in at nighttime. Toy Story Land's amazing. This area is amazing. Sun is very harsh right now, but keep walking. Here's where you take a left and walk down here. You can kind of see the milk stand right down there. Right over here, we've got the milk stand. So here you have it. You've got the blue milk, plant-based rice milk. So it's fruity. They're all plant-based rice milk. That one's citrus and tropical, and the last one's sweet and fruity. So that's the one we haven't tried. And you can get them with alcohol, but we're not going to do that. Oh, look at this. You can see $9.79 right here. You can also get that if you want. A whopping $31 without discounts. Comment below, which is your favorite? Which do you think we will like the most? We posted up here by the trash cans, but we got to be careful because there's been some bullets that have hit over here. So you got to be careful. All right, I guess let's go green first. Green first. Poker face. Okay.
Tastes like a tropical Tums.
A tropical Tums. Okay, I'm gonna just kind of keep that there. Blue. Okay. I really don't know how to describe them. They kind of all taste like the assorted fruit Tums.
That one's a little bit more like, that one's a little bit more sour. A little bit more sour, but not sour.
Yeah, which do you like better out of those two?
Well, I thought I used to like green, but I think I like blue better.
See, I think I like green better.
Really?
Yeah. I thought it kind of tasted like cereal.
The green one?
Yeah. Fruity Pebbles or something.
Maybe.
Now the one we have never tried. Some people said bubblegum.
I will tell you exactly what it tastes like. I will tell you exactly what it tastes like.
Well, I can tell you it tastes like bubblegum flavor.
No, it does not.
Oh, I know what you're going to say. Banana Laffy Taffy. Banana Laffy Taffy.
No. I mean, yes, but circus peanut.
Ah.
100% tastes like a circus
It does.
peanut.
It tastes
Ugh.
very... So, online it said bubblegum mixed with, like, banana flavor. I got Banana Laffy Taffy with bubblegum, which essentially is a circus peanut.
Ugh.
And you hate those.
I cannot stand them.
I will say pink's probably the worst flavor out of all of them. I'm going to say green, blue, pink. What are you saying? Blue, green, pink?
Blue, green. I'm not even ranking pink. That's disgusting.
Let's try them again. I'm going to try them again. I don't know if this will work, but let's try all of them. That actually tastes the best. Seriously, all of them mixed together, it's amazing. So, it's because you don't get so much of one flavor. All three of them together, that's the way to do it. I like that the best. And it's pretty much like a slushy, but not so like syrupy, right?
Yeah, I would agree. It has like a creaminess to it because it has is it coconut milk?
Rice.
Yeah, I'd say it's creamy just because it's like the rice milk. It's not just ice. It's not slushy.
Can you imagine whole milk?
Oof, gosh, that would be so heavy on your stomach.
It would be. We also got a Powerade, just because we didn't know. I mean, this doesn't really quench your thirst, the milks.
It's like a sweet treat kind of thing.
Cools you down a little bit, though. You notice the blue's not here. Somebody else has the blue here.
Yeah, you can have the green and the pink.
Oh, wow.
Have fun.
Thanks. I wish they had more of like a raspberry flavor, but I actually don't mind circus peanuts. They're terrible for you, and I haven't had them in a long time, but not like you. You can't even like taste them. I definitely get Laffy Taffy though, and you do not like banana Laffy Taffy flavor either.
I don't like the banana flavored stuff.
This one definitely has a rough aftertaste though. Not very good aftertaste, but
My mom likes circus peanuts. She'd probably like that drink.
we'll have to take her here sometime and ask her which one she likes, but aftertaste is terrible with that one. This one kind of has like a Fruity Pebbles / Lucky Charm end of the bag, all the stuff down at the bottom.
The dust?
The dust, and when you pour the rest of the bag into the milk and it's
Yeah,
all
it
that
changes
left,
color,
yeah,
kind of.
I think this one tastes similar to that, and that's why I like it.
I would say this one is the fruitiest of all of them. Would you say
I
that?
thought this one was.
Taste this again. It's the most like
They're both pretty fruity, actually. Try this one again.
it has an earthy flavor
Oh.
to it, which I like
Yeah.
earthy, but
Interesting. Let us know which one you like the best, if you've ever had them. And if you've never had them before, which one do you think you would like the most?
It's like the first taste that you get is bubble gum, which is not super offensive. But the longer it sits in your mouth, it's the circus peanuts.
So the trash cans are really not that dirty. That's all part of the theming here. I mean, it's not like, look, that's actually the trash, like the design of it. So don't freak out. I'm gonna mix some of this in here. What do we think it'll look like?
It looks like a watermelon.
Oh, it does. Turned it bright yellow.
Hands in the way.
Oh, sorry.
It's like orange.
Orangish color. Watch this. That's what they should do. Look at that.
No, now that looks really yucky.
Yeah, that made it actually look like spoiled milk. Let's try it. Ratio's just not there. When I got the 3 of them at once, the ratio was there. Whew. There's still the overpowering of circus peanuts in that. I wouldn't suggest mixing them like we just did. Drink them all 3 at the same time, it was great. Doing what we just did, no go. She went over there to read the description of the pink again.
Sweet and fruity characteristics. It is sweet, and banana is a fruit, so I guess they're not wrong, but I would not be happy if I ordered just that drink.
We'll go ahead and finish walking through the land, but I will say something.
I know exactly what this tastes like. I got it. The blue one tastes like a bomb pop.
Oh, see, I
Melted bomb pop.
didn't really get that on my taste, but let me try it again. Okay, yeah. Yep, I can agree with that now. Especially when it's more melted too. I think when it was freshly poured it didn't, but now it does. I will say it is refreshing on a hot day though. It cools you down. So it's very hot today, and that was something that cooled our core temperature down. This is always amazing to look at. It's only a 25-minute wait so far. That's not bad. This poor guy's been working forever getting the meat ready. We should have got these before we tried the milk. Well, that was a fun little experiment. Expensive experiment, $30. I feel like they should probably be like $5.99, not $10. One last look of the land. Galaxy's Edge. I did not see any characters out and about right now. It's probably like, there's no way Chewbacca would be out right now. It's way too hot.
Maybe like BB-8.
Yeah, BB-8 or something, but yeah, I think we're good to go. That was our trip out to Hollywood Studios, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, milk stand. Try some milk.
Yep.
Tried the 3 flavors. Obviously, you know how we felt about all 3 flavors. If we went back, I would be okay with just getting blue.
Yeah.
I mean, I would be okay getting green. Hold that thought. Anyway, there we go. $30, $31, no discounts. Very expensive.
For milk.
I would prefer just regular milk, if I'm being honest.
I like whole milk in drinks and things like that, but no, I thought it was good.
Yeah.
The blue
Glad
one.
we tried them all. Brings back some times when we first started going here, right when it opened, getting the milks. Haven't had it in a while.
Didn't even know the pink milk was a thing until today.
Yep. Recently added, though,
Wish I
just
didn't.
remember. And the only thing I would say they could do to make it a little better is maybe...
Training posts 3 and 4 recruits cleared for sector 8.
Good.
I'm glad. Is to theme the cups maybe a little bit more. Because the Coca-Cola bottles and stuff are really cool. Theme just your milk
It's
stand.
just surprising, though, that you even get a plastic cup
Yeah,
instead of just like a
that's true. I don't know.
paper cup.
I guess you could have bought one of the more expensive
The
things
sippers?
there. Yeah, but anyway, can you imagine a sipper full of pink milk?
Blah, yucky.
Let us know which flavor you would like the best. Let us know if you like circus peanuts. And there you go. So with that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.